Alright, DIY Dorn here with another review. I've been wanting to get these. These are the genuine Doyle quality. No. These are the, I've been wanting to get these for a while. I got them with a 25% coupon. These are the Doyle heavy duty wire stripper and cutter. So Doyle's kind of like their top tier brand for electricians' hand tools. This is a kind of an auto stripper here where it has various gauges of teeth right here, the cutting blades, and then this jaw over here on the left bites down and pulls it apart. So these things, I've looked at all sorts of reviews of all sorts of different types of wire strippers, and this seemed like the best design. And I don't know if I've seen a specific review of these, but the design looks good and hopefully the execution is good. So these are the, I don't know if these, I'm not sure if these are a knockoff, supposed to be of some other brand, I'm not sure. I'm doing some wiring on this trike right here, putting in a dual battery setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these and I'm excited. Designed to cleanly cut and strip 8 to 20 gauge. Designed to cleanly cut and strip 8 to 20 AWG solid and 10 to 22 AWG stranded wire with ease. Single step action removes up to 1 inch in total length of the insulation layer, in parentheses, jacket layer. Stripping head allows for effortless grip and strip through the single action squeezing motion. There's a sentence. Love it. Stripping head allows for effortless grip and strip through single action squeezing motion. Precision wire stripper removes jacket with no wire damage. That's what I liked about it. It certainly did look like it did that with the dies there for each of the sizes. All different auto wire strippers don't have a lot of other designs of auto wire strippers don't have different dies for the different ones you're using. And that's why I got this one. Precision wire stripper easily removes jacket with no wire damage. That's what I'm after. High strength cast alloy chassis for rugged durability. So you could like probably drive a truck over this or have your dog step on it. Laser etch size marking for high visibility and wear and abrasion resistance. Ooh. All right, holding in my hand for the first time here. So there's a snap there at the end of the motion. It lets go of the, it lets go and then goes back. All right, let's strip and grip. I mean, grip and strip in one single lever action. All right, I got it lined up. Let's do this in one single lever action. Boom. Oh, that is money. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. I don't see any strands that it pulled off extra. See, got a very nice strip on that. Very clean. Well, I think these are a home run so far. All right, I got it in here set in the die that I want. I have the amount sticking out that I want stripped off, and watch this. Go ahead and squeeze. Boom. Ooh, I shouldn't have let it come back. That was a mistake, rookie mistake. I let this close on it. While it's open like this, you want to pull it out because the jaw came back and the dies hit my wire here and messed it up. But this thing works amazing. 5 stars. This is the best auto crimper I have found.